I'm Zachy. I'm Eli.
And today is our 12th day of cat puns. Woo! Well, I'm just gonna tell you our cat pun for today. Okay, so what's a cat's favorite button on a remote?
Pause.
Get it? Pause. Anyway, so the song I'm gonna sing for you guys is "Let It Go" by Frozen. Right? That's what I'm doing. You wanna do it with me? All right, 1, 2, 3. Let it go, let it go. Don't hold me back anymore. I forgot the word. I forgot the words for a second. So it's let it go, let it go. Can't hold me back anymore. All right, we're good? All right. Peace.
Peace.
Say peace.
Oh, what about those cute things?
What cute things?
Who's that?
Oh, you mean the kiss? Oh, air kiss. That's an air kiss. Dally. Say hi, Dally. Where are you? Hey, Eli, your turn.
Peace. Bunny ears. Doink, doink.
Bunny ears, please. Bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears. Bye.